Hi there, this is your friend. A friend in need, a friend indeed. And I always advise you and suggest you that you are born great and you have to discover your greatness and you have the intelligent substance that is the power of your mind. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can really achieve for you. But you should have some destination, some goal, some dream, some desire, some aspirations. Where you want to go? That is the fundamental concept you have to develop. People always say goal setting or a definite purpose of your life. You have to be very sure what you want to do in your life because you have all the equipments, what all the greatest of the great have: hands, arms, legs, brain, eyes, ears, everything. But what makes difference between most successful great people and ordinary people? Because they do not use their equipment. You are well equipped to the fight you chose. And anybody who has become so great, when they started, they used their similar tools, and that was your mind. That were their minds. Everything is similar, but only difference is they are imaginative, creative, utilitarian attitude. They don't like to be a cattle. They want to be something very useful to the society and systems. So they learn in life to dream, to desire, to visualize what they want to be in life. And they picturize in their mind. They created a blueprint in their mind what they want to be. Abraham Lincoln wanted to be the President of America. With multiple failures till 40, he never succeeded. Edward really suggested that don't quit. Edgar Albert Guest wrote several poems. The equipment poem is one of the best. Don't quit, another one. And so on and so forth. Courage, courage, courage. That is important. So, dear friends, I tell you, be a brave and bold person. Believe in yourself. Be a person of courage, conviction, determination, passion, willpower. Always see that you are born like anybody else and you do not belittle yourself by allowing fear and doubt to creep in your mind and make you really a miserable person. Failures are the stepping stones towards success. Every 1,000 steps start with the first one. So that way you say the first, second, third, fourth, they are stepping stones. But if you stop there, then you have failed. But you continue going further and further and further and further. Till 999, if you stop, you are a failure. But just going one step further, it is 1,000 steps, so that is your success. You understand, my friend? So every failure is a stepping stones toward the success. And so Edgar Albert Guest says, success is failure turned inside out. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint in the cloud of doubt. You can never tell how close you are. It may be very near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It is when things seem so tough that I must not quit. Never is change a battle by curse or regret. Never is change a battle by curse or regret, though you whimper and whine. And those who fight a good fight, though they struggle in vain, shall have many a victory to his claim. So take the adversities, misfortune, failures as a part of the game, because you are destined to become something very special. You have not to be a conformist. You have not to copy somebody. You are very special, you are very unique. So discover your own fundamental talents. And like so many greats, Elon Musk is a burning topic today. He is doing great innovations and discoveries. a courageous, bold, brave American. Start with the first fundamental step, the first step principle. Go to the grassroots and use your creative vision, imaginations. Believe in yourself. The power of believing, that is the magic of believing, can give you tremendous faith in yourself. The capacity for applied faith will really stimulate your intelligence to the discovery and perception of truth, that you yourself are the maker of yourself. You are the master of your fate and you are the captain of your soul. Example is Elon Musk. It was Steve Jobs. It was Bill Gates. It is Bezos. It is Zuckerberg. It is Ratan Tata. It is Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. All these people were not having something very special what you are not blessed with. And the people who become brave and smart, great and good, they do everything similar to your attitude. You are well equipped for the fight you choose. You have hands and arms and brain to use. And the people who get achieves, they begin their steps not different than you. You are well equipped. You are the handicap you must face. You are the one who must choose your place. You are well equipped for the fight. How many times you will try to understand? You have everything, but you have to decide where you want to go. But the courage must come from the soul within. The courage must come from the soul within. The man must furnish the will to win. So figure it out yourself, my lad. You were born with all that the greatest of the great had. 2 hands, 2 arms, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and brain to use, if could be wise. So get hold of yourself and you say, I too can do it. I too can do it. I too can be great, useful and productive. And I will leave a footprints behind my journey of life. Because the lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Thank you.